Okay, I'm just gonna show the little budgies, parakeets or whatever. It's gonna have to be quick though, because I don't want the mom to take off. That one there is the dad. And he helps feed the little babies that are in that box right there. They're making a little peeping noise. Peeping noise. Peeping noise. And the other birds are here on the other side. They really shouldn't be in that cage, because it kind of puts more stress on the other bird. But when you see the bottom there, how it's all filthy, that's because last time I cleaned the bottom of the cage, the mom beat feet out of the nesting box and wouldn't go back in and take care of the eggs that were in there because it got scared, because I forgot to spend the time to tame it. But I'm just gonna do a real quick little thing here. Yeah, it's messy. Oh, see, it's already beating feet. Gotta hurry. That is little baby budgie birdies. See? See the little fat one there? He was born on the 3rd. And the second one, that's a little bigger, was born 3 days later, and the other one was born 3 days after that, and there's like 3 more eggs in there. Come a little Buddha because he's bald and fat. Okay, the mom's gonna beat feet if I don't hurry up. And I don't want to have to hand feed all of them. So that's them. I'll keep you guys informed later.